guys, it's Drew, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cute little ice cream cone cupcake. The things you're going to need some icing, any flavor. You're going to need a little cone, a cupcake, some hot water for helping to melt the icing, and you're going to need a knife or a frosting spatula, but this is what I had. So first, we have to unwrap this. And then I'm just going to see how it fits on the cone, and it kind of goes outwards, so I'm going to shave it down a little bit. And then if your top isn't perfectly, if it's lumpy in one area, you can just shave it off. Okay, and make sure you have something to collect the crumbs, otherwise you're gonna have a big mess. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just check to see if it fits, and then we're gonna get our frosting and get a nice clump of it and just spread it on the bottom, and this is what's going to glue it to the cone. And if you want, you can put M&Ms in there. If you're doing these for a party and you want snacks, you can put M&Ms in there, but just because I'm doing a demonstration, I'm not going to. And so just put this on the bottom and then put it around the sides so that you can keep the cone clean. And this doesn't have to be perfect because nobody's going to see this, and we're going to smooth out the sides after. And this can get messy, so you may need to wash your hands after, like I know I already do. And it might help if your cupcake is frozen. It won't have so many crumbs. Mine were frozen, but they defrosted while I was waiting. And okay, so now we're gonna take this and just place it in the center of the cone. And I'm gonna wipe my hands so that I don't get frosting all over the cone. Probably just got some in my hair though. And now we're gonna take some frosting and we're gonna frost the edges. And I'm going for this kind of ice cream look, so it's kind of flat and it's a little rough at the bottom. But you can make you can have a swirl ice cream if you want. You could probably use an icing tip to do that. But I'm not doing anything too fancy. So just keep frosting the rest of the cupcake, and then when you're done, we're going to smooth it out. So don't worry if it looks too messy. If you want to smooth out your frosting, you put your knife in some hot water, like right here, and it just completely smooths it out. So go around the edges if you want. If you want it to be kind of messy, you can leave it that way too. And any extra frosting, just scrape it off. Okay, now that we've got our sides all smoothed out, we're gonna go back in, and just to make it look a lot like ice cream, just put little dabs of frosting at the edge, because the ice cream always puffs out a little bit there. And just take your knife and shape it. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't even have to do this, I just thought it would be cute. So there you go. You've got a cute little ice cream cone cupcake. These would probably be very fun to eat and less messy than a real cupcake or a cupcake in a wrapper, because those fall apart in your hands. But this, you've got a nice cone and you can eat the cone afterwards. And you can put candy inside the cone and they're just a cute little treat. Okay, thanks for watching. And this is the finished product. I hope you had fun.